Okay, so once your print job is finished, you can lift the entire build plate off. It's attached by magnets. So as you lift it off, and there you can see where the magnets connect. So we take this over here, and then what you're going to do is grab on opposite corners and just slightly twist the build plate. And you can kind of flex it just a little bit. You notice as I flex it, this will pop up. And then you usually should be able to grab this right off. Now there usually will be a print bed that you can peel off. And then you have your end result. When you are replacing the print bed, just make sure that it is fully seated. You don't want it to be catty corner or catty wampus, because then you won't have a good print. So just make sure it is fully seated like so.